AutoDXF is Inventor add-in for simplifying work and export of sheet metal flat patterns. In this short video I will show you what's new in release 4.7. Let's run the program and find all the sheet metal parts inside this assembly. We can also generate flat pattern previews. You can see the images appear here. Those images have to be created separately because they are not included in files, so it might take some time. After the flat pattern previews are generated, the new function in 4.7 is that you can zoom them. So in some cases those thumbs are very small, but hovering the mouse over and clicking and holding left mouse button now shows the zoomed preview. Also, when resizing the column, the flat patterns are also resized. The second new feature in 4.7 is that you can now control the trailing zeros. Those are the zeros after decimal place. The setting is accessible via settings file. Just click this button here and open AutoDXF settings file in some text editor. If you set this 0 to 1, all the trailing zeros will be removed. Up here you can still select number of decimal places, the same as before, for lengths and thicknesses separately, but this option here is new. So if I set this to 1, all the zeros after the decimal places will be cut off. Let's see how it looks. I have to save this and close it. Also restart AutoDXF. Quick finding of sheet metal parts, and all the dimensions now should be without zeros. This is valid for thickness, flat pattern length and flat pattern width. Next new feature is possibility to include flat pattern lengths and flat pattern widths in DXFs. AutoDXF enables you to inject texts inside DXF files, and those texts can be customized. So now you have two features here, two properties actually, flat pattern length and flat pattern width, that can be included in the text. Also the order of the properties can be changed if necessary, prefixes can be changed and so on. And let's try and see how it works. Let's just build a simple naming scheme. This works in a similar way than the XF text. Okay, that's good. We will export in folder 4.0, click export. It takes around 20 seconds to export 30 or 35 files in this case. Let's see how DXFs look inside AutoCAD. Those are the exported files. I will just open a few of them. Let's say those few. Those are the contours, the bending lines and so on, and this is the DXF text. You can see that we have flat pattern length and flat pattern width parameters included. And two small additions. The settings file was previously named Basic AutoDXF Nastavitve, that's in Slovenian, and is now renamed to Basic AutoDXF Settings. And the last but not least, this window can now be resized to fit smaller screens. These are the new features for AutoDXF 4.7. You can try the free version on Autodesk App Store or on our website www.basic.si/AutoDXF. Thank you for trying it, or thank you for using it if you are already a user.